Hi guys, it's Calify here, back to another video, and today we will be showing you, well, I will be showing you how to fix a drifting joystick, like when you're playing video games, like your character is drifting to the side or something, and you're not even touching the controller, and a sticky button that is stiff, okay? So that's what we're going to be doing today. Also, make sure you guys subscribe, and more than 78% of you guys that are watching the videos are not subscribed. And yeah, and a like would be greatly appreciated. Let's get straight into the video. So, technically, this is like a skin reveal. Skin reveal. Okay. So what you want to do is open. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you. So you need rubbing alcohol. If you don't have that, then use perfume or anything that can like dry up instantly. Well, not instantly, but quicker. So don't use water because water will actually damage your controller. So I have rubbing alcohol here. So I'm gonna open that up. Okay. And once you open that up, you want to get your Q-tip. Okay. So if you don't have a Q-tip, try to use some cotton. If that doesn't work, you can't use a wipe because I don't think a wipe would work. So you want to get the Q-tip, make sure it has some, like, you know, the alcohol or whatever. And oh wait, I already did this controller. And rub around whatever button is sticky. Okay.
Also, daily shoutouts in description.
And then you want to push it 50 or more 100 times. And then it should start to get loose, and then it should be like the other buttons, like right here, as you can see. So, and then second, what you want to do for the drifting joystick is you want to do the same exact thing. Rub it around, and then you want to push it 50 to 100 times like the last one. And then you want to do it to the other side. And then it should be working. And if it doesn't work, try to find another video. And if that doesn't work, your controller's probably broken, so you might want to buy another one. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Also, face reveal would be at 1,000 subscribers. So I guess I did a skin reveal, and I just turned off my ps4, and that's the end of the video. Bye.
But that's alright. Hush.